Hey, Bill the Geek back again. Okay, now we have our story written and completed. We know we have physical depictions of all of the characters, their backgrounds of where they live, their house, what their cars are. We have all that digitally stored somewhere. Now we have to use those images, and we need students that can manipulate the images. Now, personally, I've been using Photoshop, Illustrator, Flash, Adobe Macromedia Director in the old day. I mean, I can make anything look almost real, as you can see by my phony green screen setup here. But now we need some students that can make this happen. In the great situations, we had computer labs. And of course, you have to find affordable computer software that, of course, your district or library system IT person will approve to put on the server or the hard drive. The people in California that I worked with, they hooked up some deal with Adobe and got all the software they needed for free. And this is where being creative comes in, like, oh, we're a needy school, and we're doing this awesome project, we don't have any software, hey, okay. Now, of course, you need a computer lab that has the strength to push those applications. Now, if you're doing kindergarten through 6th grade, you have a little challenge because you need kids in this room that can get things done. So in each of my situations, I stuck with 4th graders and up. Hey, okay, I'm an editor, but I got to draw the line with my talent. 4th grade and up, they generally know how to read. I want enthusiastic, artistic, excited to be on the computer people. And in my situations, I'm talking about 6 to 12 students that are allowed for our sessions where I would be there training them on various forms of software, either affordable to the district software for image manipulation, or with the freebie software we were picking up from corporations. Now, these students need to be trained, and these kids are so smart, all you have to do is show them how to do a couple of things, and they're gone with it. But as the project progresses visually, they need to be able to pull this still thing out of this photo and put it into this crayon-drawed background of where Sammy lives and drop it in there and make it look pretty real. Okay, which is not a problem, and they need scheduled classroom time that they're just like a student council meeting or those special groups you have where you say, oh, ding ding ding, it's time for the computer illustrators to go to the computer lab, and they need computer time and training, but that is all on them. So let me bring this in right now. You've got all the words, you've decided to make this a video, you're going to make it an ebook, you're going to make it a website, it's going to be a print book. You've made those decisions, but now that we have all of this electronic stuff complete, so to speak, it's never done, now you need pretty much one head honcho computer geek to pull it all together. And I'm going to tell you, man, I don't think it's... Hey, help me. Help me if you got a 4-stack student sitting around that can pull all this together. Sometimes I was the one that pulled it all together, but you need that parent. If you can find a parent to do it, ooh, yeah, that's the key right there. But you need someone digitally inclined, given the method of your output, to put it all together. You're talking 12 hours here, maybe 20 hours of intense focus. Yeah, I got to be up front. Yeah, the bottom line is, of all this 600 people, of all the editing boards and all the images, and everything should be pretty much drag and drop with some technical decisions being made at this point. But you need one honcho who can do it and put it out. Yeah. So think about that. Isn't this lovely down here? I love Puerto Vallarta.